It's New Year's Eve 2020 and you're looking back at this year and you're just amazed at how different things are from how they started at the beginning of the year. Why? Because you took action on a dream to start your own business, and maybe you had very little to invest and it took a lot of time, but you did it, and now you're standing in the position of success and achievement, and you're well on your way to making your dreams a reality. Do you want this to be your story at the end of this year? If so, keep on watching, because I'm going to be sharing 8 low-cost business ideas that you can start this year in order to make your dreams become a reality. Starting a business and working for yourself is super exciting, and it's easier to do now than ever before because you don't have those huge startup costs. And in fact, you can get started for virtually nothing, and I'm going to be sharing some of those ideas with you now, so let's dive right in. Number 1 is to create an online course, and this is my favorite of the options and the one I decided to go with because you get to do something you're passionate about and you get to help other people along the way. So if you have any training or experience, some skills in a certain area where you can help other people to improve in those areas as well. So maybe you can solve a pain point, a problem that they have, or you can help them to reach a desire or a goal that they want to get to, then you can turn that into an online course. And the nice thing about that as well is that it's the most scalable option. So if you are looking for time and money freedom, this is probably the best option to go with as well. And if you want to know how to do this, be sure to check out this playlist here, which will go into more details as to how to create an online course of business. And be sure to check out the free masterclass below, and that will teach you about creating an online course using video. So be sure to check those out if you are interested in this business model. Number 2 is to become a virtual assistant, and this is great if you're not highly skilled in a certain area because you can basically do a lot of the jobs that need to be done and kind of grow in your experience on the job, so to speak. So as an entrepreneur, there's a lot of things that need to be done that a lot of entrepreneurs just don't have the time or resources to be able to accomplish. So that's where they would hire a VA to come in and do that. So you could work for multiple entrepreneurs, maybe do 5 hours or 10 hours, depending on how much time that they need. Or maybe you could work full time for an entrepreneur, and you can help their business grow, and as it grows you may find that you can grow in your role within the business as well. So you may not stay a VA, you may become, the second in command or something like that. So there's a lot of flexibility. You can obviously work from home, you can potentially choose your hours as to when you work. So even though you are sort of working for somebody else, it still has a lot more flexibility than working a regular 9-to-5 job. Number 3 is to be a freelancer, and this is similar to VA in some respects, but you probably do need to be highly skilled in a certain area. You can check out Fiverr and Upwork for some ideas of what you could do for freelance work, but some obvious ones would be things like design or website design, social media management. All of those kind of things are things where entrepreneurs need specific help for maybe a one-off project, and once that project is done, they don't need that specific role anymore. So you can fill that role for multiple different businesses and entrepreneurs, and you can work on your own time and in your own hours and choose which project you take. So that can be pretty good. Number 4 is to be a content creator and an affiliate. Now I'm kind of lumping those together because they go hand in hand, but basically if you enjoy making videos and posting on YouTube or making podcasts or writing blog posts or anything like that, then you can use those platforms to market other products as an affiliate. So depending on what your content is will depend on what kind of products that you can market. So you may want to take that into account when you think about what content you want to produce. But as long as the content and the products or services that you are promoting are in alignment, then this can be a really fun way to be able to create an income through affiliate commissions, through partnerships, and through advertising and that kind of thing. So this can be a really fun way to go. Number 5 is to be a proofreader or an editor or a copywriter. Now I'm kind of lumping all those together because they're related to words. So if you are good with words, then you may want to think about how you can help other entrepreneurs and businesses with their writing. There's a lot of things that need to be written, like website copy, emails, promotional campaigns, social media. So there's a lot of written word stuff that's related to businesses, and if you are good with writing, then you can help with that. Number 6 is to be a video editor. So if you enjoy editing videos, then you could help a lot of content creators out. A lot of people are seeing the benefits of using video and YouTube to promote their businesses and to share their content to build that know, like, and trust factor. So if you can help them with editing the videos, which is something that they often have a lack of time or resources or skills to be able to do so, then you could definitely help them out, and it can be done at home in your own time and on your own schedule, obviously as long as it's getting the videos up in time for the entrepreneur. So again, it's a very flexible way to earn an income from home. Number 7 is to be a coach or consultant, and this is great if you have a highly skilled area of expertise, or you have a lot of experience in a certain area, and you can help an individual or a company get from where they're stuck to moving forward and getting to where they want to be. And so this is great because you can charge higher prices as a coach or a consultant than some of these other options I've talked about, and you can choose who your clients would be, and you can take on as many or as little as you want, depending on your situation and what you want to accomplish. And this is a great way as well to go if you are looking at doing an online course in the future, but you want to really nail down a system that's going to work for people. So you can work with your individual clients, and if you've got a system that you can see that's working for various different people, you can then put that into an online course, and then you can scale it a lot more than you can with the coaching and consulting. But this is a great way to start. And number 8 isn't actually an online business as such, although a lot of the marketing will be done online, but that is to be an Airbnb host. So if you have a spare room in your home, or you have an annex or some other kind of facilities that you can rent out, then depending on where you live, this can be quite profitable. Obviously, if you're in the outback of nowhere, then it may not work. But if you are in a place where people like to come and visit, then this could be a nice source of regular income for you as well. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, online course creation is my personal favorite of these business options because it's doing something that you really enjoy and is the most scalable, which allows for time and money freedom. So if you want to know more about how to do this, then be sure to check out this playlist here, which takes you through the entire process of how to create an online course. And don't forget to sign up for the masterclass below as well, which will be on how to create an online course using video, because we know that video is the best way to build that know, like, and trust factor, and also to demonstrate what it is that you're teaching. So the link for that is below. Now, I know everybody's different and not everyone is going to want to go the online course route, so let me know below which of these options appeals to you the most. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on more videos related to creating online courses using video. Stay creative, and we will talk soon.